question. If I will be a education ministry of the country, then probably what I will try to do first, maybe I will give more budget finance, because I will make sure that I will find out something from the ministry to have more allocation of budget in all the schools. Second thing I will try to do that the budget allocation is the first criteria, but the second, that is a difficult job, but I will try my level best to make sure
12 minutes
that,
है dear.
yeah.
हाँ
So the budget which is from the government, it should go to the school level. There should be a clear flow. There should be no blockage. What is happening right now that like government is planning new thing and
हाँ
reach to the school level, there are many barriers,
हाँ
and that barriers hardening the actual development. So this will be my first thing that I like to do. Second, probably maybe I will try to
एक काम
make
कर दो,
a
जितने
barrier
पैसे देंगे हम तुम्हारे
of
फोन में डाल रहे हैं, हम आधार कार्ड और उसका प्रिस्क्रिप्शन भेज रहे हैं, तुम खरीद दो.
yes. So what I will try to do, maybe I will try to break the barrier of the government school and maybe in the private school. The school should be the same for all, okay? And maybe I will try to give budget to the private school also to bring a, but it will be not an easy job, but some way, like in innovation or bringing the vocational education, the budget allocation will be also given to all the school that we can have a new education system. And other thing that I like to bring that physical education is important in the school, that there should be compulsory that all students need to clear the physical education, that a student will be fit by sports, they need to play the sports. Another thing that compulsory to going to the army, like for 6 months or 1 year. So the many plan I have, but thank you very much.
Thank you, Pandey sir, Ravindrapati Pandey sir, for sharing these important points. But I believe आपको एजुकेशन मंत्री के साथ साथ आपको फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर भी बनाना पड़ेगा, तभी जाके सारे काम हो
Thank you.
पाएंगे.
जी जी.
Thank you, Ravind sir, for sharing and for participation. Now I would request Rajiv Mohan Pandey sir, sir, if we can have your concluding remark, and what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education?
Thank you, and thank you for making me feel that I can be education minister. Jokes apart, but the one thing which I would like to work being an education minister, and more effectively, I say that this is going to be the backbone of the whole of the system. That is the training of the teacher. If I can uplift the teachers as a whole from the whole of this country itself, that will be my remarkable change, I should say, being because for any kind of education system, the teachers are the backbone of that education system. Like we say that I produce the best of the best curry in the city, right? I serve the best food. I am the best restaurant in the area. That means you are putting out the best of the best ingredients, right? In the same way, if I say that I am the best school in this area and the society, I will have to have the best teachers. And who are the best teachers? The teachers, the people around us who are coming from the society but are trained up to such a level where they perform their job in the best way. So what I feel is the training should be must and compulsory, and that too at such a level where each and every teacher, being me and myself as a teacher, still I'm working with the teaching of business studies in my own schools, right? So if I say that until and unless I prepare myself, I do not get in my class. So again, I will say I will try to train all the teachers on such a level where each and every teachers to be uplifted on such a platform where they give the best of their knowledge to their students. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you, Rajiv sir, for your participation and sharing your wisdom and valuable thoughts. And now I would request Radhesham sir, sir, we would like to end the session with your remarks, blessings. I would request if you can share your concluding remark, and what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education?
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity to us. My priority will be skill education, to develop the skill education among the learners. If they are having the skill, then certainly they will survive their life very well. This is my first year. Thank you for this, giving opportunity to us. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you. So skill education is the key. So big thanks once again to all the key speakers, Radhesham sir, Rajiv Mohan sir, Ramendpati Pandey sir. I also pay my special thanks to all the other participants for being with us for the entire session. Big thanks to all of you. We'll end the session here. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks to all.